Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we have another unboxing. This is the Jadfezy, I don't know, Action Cam Series kit that comes with a 4K action cam. Now this is a inexpensive camera. It's kind of bottom line of the cameras. I got this so when I do, I know some more my crazier or riskier videotaping, I'm going to use this. So if I destroy it, I'm not destroying a camera that's a couple $100. I'm destroying a camera that's less than 100 if it gets destroyed. So I'm more apt to do experimental shots with this thing than I am with, say, my DJI action cam or something. All right, so let's see what's in the kit. Oh, by the way, the case itself is like a semi-soft case, very nice. Zipper, glides very well. Open it up. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Okay, so in this kit, we have a little mini tripod. All right, see if I can open this thing up. Oh, it had a hole at the bottom. Oh well. And it's a very cheap plastic thing, but hey, what do you expect for the price? Okay, but it works. It would definitely work. And we have a strap. Not really sure what that goes on yet, but we'll figure that out. We have all kinds of attachments, like a tripod attachment. It looks like for a snap belt. Ooh, here we go. I think this that's in here goes like over your chest, and then this clips on to that, and you can have kind of like a security cam, sort of, kind of. But I already got one of those, so I'm not going to use it as that. All right, and we have a case you can mount, kind of like, so you could use like GoPro mounts. So this is a GoPro mount kind of sort of thing. And you have an extra back. Oh, the extra back that has holes in its slits, so you can put the strap in and strap it to something. I don't know what yet. You have another adapter. You have the battery. Nice. So you have a separate battery right here. Set that off to the side because I'll probably have to put that in. Oh, we have a remote control. This thing has a remote for, looks like the red button is to take pictures. Click, 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 click. And then the bottom is for videotaping. That will come in really handy. Push that. All right. And then at the top, where this netting is, we have, looks like a charging cable. That's good. You have some zip ties. Okay. You have, looks like a dash mount. Okay. Guess you can use this as a dash cam too. So that works. Some more GoPro attachments, more GoPro attachments. This one kind of looks like for a bicycle. You put it on the handlebars. You have another sticky attachment, kind of like, I don't know what that's for. You have a base charger. This comes with an actual charger. You don't have to like just charge it on the phone. Hey, oh, hello. And it's for 2 batteries. So here's the one battery. Just sticks right in there. And then you take your charging cable, stick that in there. You put it into any kind of, it's like phone charger, or in your computer, and then it'll charge it up. I wonder if there's a second battery in that camera. We'll find out here in a minute. And then you have more GoPro adapters. More GoPro adapters. Wow. And of course you have the cleaning lens. You have sticky stuff and a metal cable. I don't know. All right. And of course you have instructions, a user guide. But the big thing, ta-da, here's the camera. Now they have it in a waterproof case. It comes shipped with a waterproof case, which is nice, which is another reason why I bought this, because it came with a waterproof case, and if the waterproof case isn't really waterproof and it damages the camera, I'm not going to be crying. Okay, like I would, like my DJI action cam or something. So, how's this thing open up? Oh. Ooh, that did pop out nice. Ah, isn't it pretty? Look at that. So, I'm gonna see if this thing comes with another battery. Ah, it does. This thing comes with 2 batteries. I was not expecting that, especially for the price. I have to admit, not expecting that at all. Okay, so very basic. You have your power button. You have your record button or photo button, and then you have up and down arrows for like your menu when you get into it. You know what? I'm gonna turn this thing on, see how old this camera is. Okay, it didn't do that. Let's see. Maybe you have to hold it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what it is. Okay, about 5 seconds. It'll turn on. Ta-da! And it has, how much battery? It says it's a full battery. I mean, a full power. Huh. What do you know? Okay. I'm actually kind of impressed on that, because most of the time, these cheap things, I'm gonna turn it off, but these cheap things, they come with either just one battery and it's off to the side and it's pretty much dead, or it comes with a battery in the camera, just one, and it's completely dead. So this is not that. So again, I'm impressed already. But you know what, before we go, let me open this up. And I'm not being sarcastic, I'm being serious, because a lot of times when you get something this inexpensive, it's in a, you know, like a foreign language of some sort, you know, French, Spanish, German, something other than English. Well, this looks like everything is in English. Yes, so this is 100% in English, and which for me, that's nice. And it does have, with the attachments, I know you can't see from these cameras, but it does have what these different attachments are, what they're used for, in diagram form, which is really nice because I have no idea what half that stuff's for. But I'll figure it out. All right, oh, and it does have different options, menu options, looks like for the resolution, which is probably what you guys would be most interested in. It'd be 4K 30, 2.7K 30, 1080p 60, 1080p 30. Oh, by the way, 30, that's like 30 frames per second. 720p at 120. So this does do slow motion, or potentially slow-mo. And then you have 270p at 60 frames per second as well. And then, oh yeah, you can use this as a dash cam, because it does say it does loop the video if you want to do that. It does have time lapse. That's nice. 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 30 second, and 60 second intervals. And you can turn the audio off on this thing too, which a lot of times you don't have that option. I'm impressed at the price of this thing. So hopefully, we'll see what the resolution is. And actually, I know what the resolution is, but sometimes when they say, hey, it's 2.7K, which is what I shoot most of my stuff in, it's really not 2.7K. It's more like 1080p. But we'll see how this goes in the future. Okay, here we are outside. Nice hot summer day. Yellow flower. Now I'm not going to do anything with the video or the audio. I'm just going to be walking down here, see how well it picks up some colors. Some flowers that are at the end of its life cycle. And some more here. Now those are bright yellow. Get some flowers down here that are a little more seasonal. There we go. Nice purple and red. Now it is very, very bright out here. And when it's super bright out, the screen that I'm looking at on the back of the camera, the action cam, isn't really all that great. I mean, it's okay, you can kind of see what's going on, but yeah, it doesn't have the brighter screen. But we'll see how the pictures turn out and how the audio is. And just so you're aware, the particular package I got with this on Amazon, and I'll put that link down below if you want to take a look, did come with a micro SD card, and I don't think it said in here what the max is for the card. I don't see it anywhere in here, but what they sent was a 64 gig card, so maybe that's the max. Oops, storage, here we go. 8, 16, 32, or 64, okay. And it does have to be class 10 if you want to do, of course, 4K. So yeah, 64 gig is the highest it will go. So there you go. That's why they gave us 64 gig. So thank you again so very much for coming along. I do appreciate each and every one of you who, puts a comment down below, who comes watch my video. I know some of them are a little more exciting than others, but that's just kind of the way it is. Give me some suggestions, okay? Nice suggestions, okay? And I'll see what I can do for you. So as always, have a great day.